Hello, I'm Buffy Johnson, agency consultant with Kite Technology Group, and welcome to our latest episode of Consulting Corner. Today, I will be discussing the benefits of doing your agency's accounting in Applied Epic. While joining us today, you might be an agency who is interested in migrating to Applied Epic, or an agency that doesn't fully use the accounting application in Epic, but wants to take advantage of the benefits of having a fully integrated agency management system. Some of the various reasons that an agency might not yet fully use Epic Accounting might be that they still use QuickBooks or another outside accounting program. They are only using Applied Epic to capture their producer commissions. They might be brand new to Applied Epic and don't feel confident yet in fully using accounting in Epic and are still relying on their old system. They also might feel like they didn't get off to a good start in Epic Accounting and have a lot of cleanup to do, so they end up going back to using QuickBooks or their other accounting software. Because of that, those agencies might feel like that their financial statements and accounting reports are not accurate because they are not fully integrated with the servicing side of Applied Epic. If you and your agency don't fully use Epic Accounting because of some of these reasons, there are many steps you can take to get back on track and begin doing full accounting in your Applied Epic system. Applied Epic Accounting is a complete accounting system embedded in your Applied Epic database that will record all of your accounting transactions and then have the ability to produce accounting reports and financial statements that are used to review and ensure the accuracy of your accounting data for your agency. Let's start with a brief overview of the accounting applications in Epic by reviewing the menu screens. Here we are at the main menu. The accounting applications are embedded all throughout your Applied Epic database. Let's do a brief review of the Epic accounting applications that you will access to do all of your accounting entry and transacting. We'll start with accounts. Accounts is where you will have your brokers, clients, companies, employees, finance companies, other interests, and vendors, all added and set up in your system. It is in these accounts where you will have accounting configuration set up, such as commission agreements, payable information, addresses, contact information, etc. Next on your menu is General Ledger. Applied Epic's General Ledger system is a comprehensive accounting system that is very comparable to most accounting software systems used today. Here is a brief overview of all that you can do in General Ledger. You can enter all receipts that are deposited into your agency's bank accounts. You can add as many bank accounts as you need and enter receipts for all accounts. You can enter client payments, direct bill commission deposits, miscellaneous deposits, payments from carriers, and also payments from finance companies. You also can enter all of your agency's disbursements, payments to vendors, carriers, finance companies, producer and broker commissions, employee reimbursements, all payments. They can be entered as checks to be printed or as online or ACH payments. Agencies that use vouchers can also utilize General Ledger to record their voucher payments. And journal entries. Here you can enter journal entries to record payroll entries, credit card payments, General Ledger account corrections, General Ledger reclass entries, and this is also where you can view your system-generated journal entries, which are your MJEs, that are generated each accounting month. So these are the typical General Ledger features that are very much like those that you use in other accounting software systems. Also here in General Ledger is where you can perform all of your different types of reconciliations. This is where you can reconcile combined reconciliations, premium payable reconciliations, direct bill commission reconciliations, where you can download or import commissions to create the commission transactions, and you can manually record your direct bill commissions directly from your carrier commission statements. If your system is configured to reconcile your producer and broker payables, This is where you go to reconcile and pay your producer and broker commissions. This is a great feature that lets Epic keep up with your PRBR commissions that have been reconciled and paid, and lets you know which ones have not. You also can reconcile and pay your government payables. Lastly, you can reconcile all of your bank accounts that are configured in Epic. It is a very user-friendly way where you can check off all your Epic receipts, disbursements, and journal entries that were entered in Epic and compare them to the deposits and withdrawals on your bank statements. This will ensure that all entries that hit the bank are also in Epic. From here, you can add or correct any Epic entries that may be missing or were duplicated. Also in General Ledger is where you can enter budgets for comparative financial statements. It is a very easy process, and to learn how to create budgets in Epic, please see our earlier Consulting Corner video that is all about how to enter budgets in Epic Accounting. Also here in General Ledger is where you can import your direct bill commissions, receipts, and reconciliations by creating a mapping file to use with an Excel spreadsheet to import your transactions. You also can export GL data with the use of a mapping file. And finally, you can view your General Ledger related activities here if needed. So now that you've seen an overview of accounting in Applied Epic, you can see that there are many benefits of doing your agency's full accounting in Epic. Let's review some of these main benefits. You can do all of your financial accounting in Applied Epic: client invoices, receipts, disbursements, and journal entries. You have the ability to perform bank reconciliations in Epic to ensure your agency's financial data accuracy. You can easily enter your agency's payroll and credit card payments in Epic. Epic will automatically post your receivables and payables transactions to the General Ledger, and there are accounting reports that you can run to verify that your receivables and payables subledgers are in balance with your General Ledger. You can reconcile all of your agency bill and direct bill transactions to ensure accurate agency commissions. You can download many of your direct bill commission transactions, which is a huge time saver. You can import direct bill transactions for those large commission statements that don't download and take a long time to enter manually. You can add a budget to be used for comparative financial statements. Reports. There are many good reports in Epic that will help you and your team make sure that your accounting data is accurate, complete, and ready for a month-end close. Your accounting department can become paperless and keep all of your accounting documentation in Epic by saving all of your necessary documents, such as invoices, statements, and deposits, to the various accounts in Epic. You can generate financial reports right from Epic for your management team to review, as well as for your agency's CPA for them to perform your annual tax reporting. Overall, fully using Epic Accounting is very efficient for your agency's financial reporting. As with any accounting system, it is important to stay on top of your accounting entry and make sure that any cleanup or corrections are performed monthly. Having accurate financial statements will help management prepare your agency with scalability for future growth. Thank you for joining today, and I hope this was helpful to learn the benefits of doing your agency's full accounting in Applied Epic. If you need assistance with Applied Epic Accounting, please reach out to us by emailing us at consult@kitetechgroup.com. We would love to help. Thank you for watching and have a great day.